Hey there. So, great news is sawmill's together. We milled our first log, and we figured out that we put the log stops on the wrong side. We wanted to put the log stops on this side, so that way when we position the trailer in the area that we were going to park it, it was easier to load the logs onto it. We figured out that what we need for easy positioning is not what the saw needs for proper usage. So I'm going to spin all the log stops around, and we're going to try this all over again. Now, some would say it would be easier to just spin the actual saw itself, the power head. The problem with that is we would then have to slide the entire saw up the trailer as well, so that way we have space to be behind the saw on the back end. Either way, it's a pain because I don't even know if our tractor would be tall enough to lift the saw head enough to spin it around. So that way we're cutting our logs from this end and working that way. So we've come to the conclusion that it'll be easier, not necessarily less time consuming, but easier to just switch the log stops around. So that's what my job is today, and we're gonna try and get that done in this video. Yes, right? Yeah, and I got my helper Hunter out here, and we're gonna try and get this done. Yeah, good boy. All right, ready for work? Ready to go to work? Yeah. Oh, thank you. Oh, good boy. Okay, and there we go. Bunks all switched, so now all the log stops are on the intended side, apparently. We didn't really put into consideration which way the blade spun. So we switched everything. Everything's back to the way it should be, and now we're ready to mill. And as soon as we get this big bundle of trees out of the way, we'll put the trailer in its position, level it up, and we'll go from there. Start sawing some lumber. I'll be right back with making some 2x4s. Can you say goodbye? Good boy. Good boy.